How to fix invalid destination address in Samsung Galaxy A36. So let's start the video. First of all, swipe down to your control center and here you can turn on or off your flight mode. After turn on or off your flight mode, then go back and open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps, and then scroll down and click on messages app, and here you can clear the cache memory and data of messages app. After clear the data and cache memory, then go back and click on general management. Now click on reset, and here you can see the option reset network settings. Now click on it and then click on reset settings. After reset the network settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.